Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Today I'm going to show you how I make my apple squares. So I started out with 9 apples. I used 5 Granny Smith apples and 4 of the apple crisp apples. So I peeled and cored them. Now I'm just dicing them up into slices. I'm going to pour a little bit of lemon juice on top of the apples. I don't want them to turn brown while I'm cutting the rest of them. So you can see it's just slices. How thin they are. And you can see the difference between the Granny Smith and the apple crisp. It's what I had in the house, so I figured I'd use them all up. Now that I diced up all my apples, I'll add in the rest of the spices that I need to put on my apples. I'll need 1½ cups of white sugar. So I have my 1½ cups of white sugar. To the white sugar, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. There's one. Now I'll add in the second one. So that was 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I need 1/4 cup of flour. So that's 1/4. I'll add that to my bowl. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove. And 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now I'll add this mixture to my bowl that I have my flour and salt in. Now I'll mix this all together. For the lemon juice that I poured onto my apples so they wouldn't turn brown, it's probably about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So now I'm going to take these apples and place them into this mixture. I actually need a bigger bowl. What I'm going to do now is mix all the apples with this mixture so that all the apples are coated. And this is what it looks like. So now I'll place this off to the side. I'll preheat my oven to 350. My homemade pie crust has been in the fridge for an hour. So now I'll take it out of the plastic, put some flour down, and roll it out. I have my baking pan that I'll be placing the dough on. I'll be cutting this dough in half because I need a top and a bottom. You can see the butter in there. You want to try to roll it into a square. So now I'll roll up my dough on my rolling pin and place it on my pan. I'll cut off any excess that's over the pan. I'll place some more flour on my counter. You want to roll out the second half of the dough the same size as the first square. This will be the top. What I'm going to do now is place the apples on top of my pie shell that I have in my pan. So now I'll roll up this crust, place it on top. You want to pinch the sides of the crust. So I'm just pinching the edges, make sure all the apples are sealed inside. Then I'll put a slit on the top, put to vent, and egg wash. So I have 1 egg. I'll place a teaspoon of water inside. Now I'll mix it. I'll make the little vent. Now I'll place the egg wash on top. I'm brushing it all over. I'll sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. It's probably about a tablespoon and a half. So now I'll place it in my 350-degree oven, and you'll bake this for about 30 to 45 minutes and let it completely cool before you put the glaze on, and I'll show you how I make the glaze. So into the oven it goes. It's time for my apple squares to come out of the oven. I'll turn my oven off. That looks good. So now I'll let this cool. For my glaze to go on top of my apple squares, I'm letting them cool right now. I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'll place that in my bowl. 2 tablespoons of milk. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll just eyeball it. And then I'll mix this all together. So you just want to keep mixing this until it's well combined. So this is well combined. Now I'll place it on top. I'll just spread it on top. Take the rest out of the bowl. I'm staying away from the edges. And that's what it looks like. So now I'll give it a try. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. The inside is perfect. So now I'll give it a try. Look at how good that looks. These are really good. The homemade crust is really good too. This is perfect. Look at that. You gotta give this a try. It is so good. The crust came out perfect, the apples, the glaze. I think I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my homemade apple squares. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.